My name is Rohit and I'm the CEO of Target Integration. Target Integration is a digital adoption specialist. We help businesses take on technology, whether it is a CRM, ERP system, or a software system to help improve your business processes. We started the business 18 years ago, back in 2008, in the middle of recession. We have grown since then, and at this stage, we are in 4 countries. We have got 140 employees working in the team, and there are various verticals that we work within: manufacturing, distribution, finance, and like those industries. The challenges that our customers face on a regular basis is they take on technology, they buy, subscribe to a new software solution, but their users, their employees, do not end up using it. They end up pushing it back. They end up saying that, no, we don't want to use it. They go back to the old methods of doing the same process again. And that's where we come in and help them. So we use 3 major methodologies while doing this: fast launch, co-launch, and pro-launch. Of course, the traditional method of implementing any software generally is go in and do a big discovery day. It's not about that. It's nowadays modern, where we come in and help and do a co-launch approach, which is for more medium-sized businesses. We work with them to come up with their requirements and help them implement that software. The third and the easiest one is fast launch, where small businesses can take on technology easily as well. So we are at MACH UK 2026 today. We are here exhibiting one of our software solutions, explaining it to manufacturers and distributors that taking on technology is not difficult, helping them understand it, then later on starting a conversation to see how we can meet them later on to take it forward.
My name is Roddy and I'm a software sales consultant for Target Integration. What we're doing here today is showing manufacturing and distribution companies what the end-to-end process would be when using Odoo as their ERP system. So from a starting point where their client would be placing an order on their website, that's going to go into the backend, into the sales order page, and that gives visibility across the team. You can make changes, you can tag people to have a look at those, or you can assign it to a specific salesperson to carry that forward. The next phase is that sales order gets sent into stock picking, so into the warehouse, and that's where the production will be happening. So each individual person that is assigned to the job will have a list of jobs to complete and maybe some quality assurance to be done as well. So the next stage and the last stage, the invoicing and delivery stage. So we need to make sure that all of the goods have been invoiced and paid for before they're being delivered. And the system takes care of all of that. There's no integrations, there's nothing to connect in between, there's no jumping from one system to the other. It's an all-in-one solution, a single source of truth.
My name is Jack Fry. I'm a software consultant for Target Integration. When I visit clients, I get a really good understanding of how their business operates, what softwares they're using for which processes, and then I try and understand how we can streamline and consolidate those softwares into one. Everything's about time and money at the end of the day, so I'm saving them time and money and hopefully removing a few headaches. So we excel in creating a partnership with our clients and helping them to narrow down the amount of overheads that they have on subscriptions, to help streamline their operations, and really partner with them into deciding what processes are going to work for them in the future. I'm most proud of partnering with different people from different companies and really helping them get rid of all the pain points and bottlenecks that they're suffering from. When we offer our different solutions of what we can achieve with them, they almost breathe a sigh of relief. We speak the same language as them. Some people are stuck on Excel spreadsheets, and navigating away from that, duplicate entries, and just saving them time. And it's about going on that journey with them, and that sense of discovery that the client has when we give them a solution is really rewarding.